There are 2 pins in this thumb that is holding the ligament back in place and also keeping some of the joint space together. And then I have another pin in actually my pinky on the same hand.
Hi guys, I'm Nevaeh. I'm here with Lily, and we're going to be doing her laser on her thumb. So we have our glasses on, so let's get started.
What'd you do to your thumb?
I had surgery back in 2021 on the UCL, my ulnar collateral ligament of my thumb. Basically blew it to shreds in softball.
How?
So the catching just caught me wrong on the inside of the glove. Ripped the ligament right off the bone and then surgically reconstructed.
Jeez.
So now it hurts.
You said you were catching?
Yeah.
With that, how did that happen with the mitt on like that?
They throw
Just
fast.
hit it wrong, yeah.
They throw fast.
Jeez.
Yeah, through the glove, everything.
Oh my gosh.
Did you have a pin in?
Yes, so there are 2 pins in this thumb that is holding the ligament back in place and also keeping some of the joint space together. And then I have another pin in actually my pinky on the same hand.
Same injury, different injury?
Different injury. That one was in high school. This one was college. Both from softball.
A little aggressive with the softball action.
Slightly.
How was the healing process?
Healing process was tough because you do everything with your hands. And then your pinky and your thumb are your most important things for grip strength. So after coming out of like the cast and the wrap, relearning to grab things or hold on to things was not fun.
Yeah, my teammate had the same injury. It was
The UCL?
yeah, she was trying to tag somebody out in a double play, I think, and her finger got pushed back all the way back.
That's exactly it. It gets like yanked this way.
It was really bad.
Did she have surgery on hers? Yep.
Pins and everything.
Do you still have a lot of pain with it?
When I lift, especially during like pool days, anything with the back or like deadlifting, because I have to hold and gravity pulls down on it. So I have like a thumb guard that I'll wear occasionally with different lifts, and then if it's cold, because the metal in there, like you feel it in your bone. It's like a deep ache. Not fun.
Oh my gosh. Does it swell at all? Is there some days where it's worse?
Yeah. So after lifting, if I don't wear the thumb guard, the whole next day it'll be swollen and
Oh my gosh.
like I don't want to move it. Was your friend a catcher too?
No, she was a second baseman.
Okay.
She actually might be smaller than you. So her hands were really small. Like, it was crazy. It was the worst time ever. It was like semifinals or something.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Well, shout out Nevaeh's friend with the same injury. Hope you're watching. Come get laser. She'll do it.
We're all done, Queen. How did that feel? Was
Actually,
it too
really
hot?
good. No, it was really good.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Because usually a lot of patients be like, so hot. I'm like, wow, oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
Winner!
Now we're on to Focus Shockwave. Woo!